we're doing today at the college is we're working on the MS Society, the Lilian Prime, on this particular garden called Metamorphosis. What we're doing is Rachel Pratt, who designed this garden, created like caterpillars running through the wood. And so what we're doing is we're rebating this wood, and we're going to create these lovely caterpillars with inside it. And the idea is that you're going to walk around the garden and feel your way around as well. So it's very, very tactile. So we're maximising the sensory use. So the skills today is we've got some rebating. So we're going to learn. We've got a lovely Makita chop saw. We've got the dust extraction, and we're all kitted up for that. So we're going to get inducted in using that. So we go from our piece of wood rebated. Then we go to Holly. So Holly's going to be doing some chopping out there. We'll get a wooden hide mallet, so we'll get that into, so you'd have to use a big hammer. And then we're going to use the surf arm. So different people are going to have a go using that, okay? So that's the plan today. We'll see how we get on. We'll get a little bit of action of everybody doing their stuff, okay? So hopefully we can make this part of the garden today.
Right, so my grading jig's points now. I love problems.
See, good ear protection.
To be fair, if you got the angle for that in there, and want it to come in the same that way, all you do is you just flip your wood over so you're using the same angle that way.
Right.
So, one or two changes here, Jim and Sandra. What have you been thinking about this?
So what we've done is we've decided to change the shape from a parallel lines running all the way around to fluctuate in and out, so that we can find cobbles of different sizes that fit nicely into the slots, making a more natural effect, Mike.
Oh my word. Fluctuations, that's incredible, very nice. Yeah, I like it, it's good, isn't it? Very good, guys, I like it. Let's have a look at these fluctuations. You can see them going in and out now, so there's one or two little changes here. Well done, I think it's a good idea.
So it makes it more complicated, doesn't it, in terms of cutting and more effort?
Yes, lots more effort.
It's actually worth doing because of the effect that you get at the end.
I'll tell the guys on the machines it's going to be a bit of overtime tonight.
Did you take that job, Jim?
That looks pretty good actually, doesn't it? I mean, to be fair, that looks like... The only thing is, was the caterpillar or whatever it was on a diet on that one bit?
Right. The middle bit?
Yeah, what happened? How did the caterpillar... The what?
It's going to go in and out.
Yeah, no, I just wondered if he stretched. Does the caterpillar stretch? How does that...
You have to use your imagination, Mike.
I do. Yeah, maybe... I don't know, was there some kind of medieval rack or something? I don't know.
It's metamorphosis. It's
yeah, that's right.
You can't have a static
it's got
shape
3 life cycles. That's brilliant. So what we're doing here is getting some plants ready for the show garden, and you can see the Hylotelephium or the sedums. They need to be chopped back hard, and they're going to have to be really pushed to stand a chance of making it at the show. And there's a lot of plants here that can be cut back hard. So these Artemisias, again, they're too sparse, slow down, so we're going to have to cut them back and really kind of rejuvenate them, which of course you can do with a lot of Mediterranean plants, and they will shoot again, and we'll get them potted on, and we could even take some nice cuttings here actually. There's enough material to take some cuttings, so that's one of the ones we'll be doing. We'll also be doing the fennel. So the fennel here, you can see, just wants the old stalk cut out of that, so we can use that. And then we've got a few other plants. For example, here we've got Nepeta, the Fascinii types, which again will cut them back, cut all that old growth off. There we go. And that will tidy that up, make that into a a nice plant for the show. When it's all potted on and got a bit of compost, it'll really make that a lot better. And we've also got here plants such as the Santolina Chamisoparis, the cotton lavender. You can see there's lots of nice growth down there. So to make it a reasonable plant, again, I'm going to have to cut it back hard, otherwise it's just going to look too straggly and too kind of sparse. So we'll do that with that one, and again it wants potting and feeding, and that's what we're doing. And then we've even got some lovely old Pennisetum, which will cut the flower heads off, which normally would be flowering late, probably won't make it, but we're going to give it a try. We're going to chop it back, and again we're going to try and push that on a little bit, see if that can't be ready for the show as well. And we've got some hypericums there that might need a bit of a trim. Okay, so that's what we're doing, try and get a few plants going for the show. Talk us through what you're doing.
Well, we're trimming into a kidney bean shape, and we just want to keep a sort of 5 centimetre rather.
That's right.
Band, which we will then screw underneath into the sable wood.
Oh, you got some sable wood there. Yes, so they're going to go nicely across like that.
Segmented with expansion slots and a potentiality of being able to have plants going through it, maybe some of the grasses, and that's about it.
Brilliant, looks good guys, looks great.